Hi, my name is Sophia and in this Myboatplans 518 Boat Plans review video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Myboatplans 518 boat plans before you actually buy the product. I also have some really important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Myboatplans 518 boat plans is to be careful about the website where you are going to buy Myboatplans 518 boat plans because Myboatplans 518 boat plans is only sold on the official website. To help you, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video and in the first comment fixed. So, what are Myboatplans 518 boat plans? Is Myboatplans 518 boat plans designs worth buying? Does it really work? And the answer is yes, Myboatplans 518 boat plans does work and it is worth it. It is a method that has pleased all those who have purchased the product with the intention of perfecting their boat making skills. In other words, Myboatplans 518 boat plans is the best choice. It is designed by professionals with years of experience and has proven to work effectively. It is an online program that teaches boat building techniques. It provides fundamental information on how to own a boat without spending a lot of money, and you don't have to worry if you don't have the skills to build a boat, because this program will give you the best ideas. The techniques are simple and clearly organized so that anyone can understand without specific skills within a program, with 518 strategies on how to build boats. Therefore, the dream of building your own boat is a personal choice. The program was made by people who had the skill and passion to build a boat since childhood. The designer of Myboatplans 518 boat plans is made by Martin Reed, who has 31 years of experience in boat building. His goal was to give people the opportunity to own their dream boats without using thousands of dollars in cash. In this program, you will have the opportunity to learn the best strategies, such as written plans and photographs, schematics, cutting patterns and material lists for all boats, additional techniques for boat building veterans, lessons for beginners, and a list of boat plans and drawings. But there is something important about this product that you need to know before you make the purchase. You can actually test Myboatplans 518 boat plans for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it, for any reason, they will give you your money back without any hassle and no questions asked. Even better, you get to keep all the bonuses. It is good that the owner of this program wants to make sure that you get all the skills you need. Therefore, if you buy the product you will be entitled to enjoy the following bonuses. Bonus 1, 40 videos on boat building lessons. Bonus 2, 3-dimensional boat repair software, CAD drawings for boats. Bonus 3, complete guide for boat builders. Bonus 4, for boat building secrets. Bonus 5, guide to safety regulations, divided into 3 parts. Part 1, regulations and other information. Part 2, boating safety circulars. Part 3, consumer information sheets. The guideline includes electrical system, fuel system, ventilation, safe exposure and load capacity, information on flotation requirements. It is worth pointing out that for Myboatplans 518 boat plans to work and make you really learn to build and understand everything about boats, you have to take your studies and application seriously. You can learn and see initial results in the first month, but most people have great results after 3 months of applying the methods of this product. That's why I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website will buy Myboatplans 518 boat plans and securing the bonuses and any discounts that the producer will offer. You also need to speak up. If you buy the product, take the training as directed, and take it seriously. Don't forget to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's, because your application of the method will depend on your efforts and willingness to learn. Finally, I wish you every success with Myboatplans 518 boat plans, and for my part, I am happy to help you and be able to show you this excellent and desirable boat building guide.